Hi, I'm Shantanu and I'm Microsoft MVP for Windows Desktop Experience, and I'll be running the session today. The agenda for session 2 is as follows, what you can see in your desktops right now. So I'll be explaining what is Pin, what is Snap, how to arrange two windows side by side using Windows Snap, what is Peek, how to preview the desktop using Peek, and at last what is Shake. So, starting with what is pin. So, pin is I explained jump list in the last session. Pin is something that you pin your program to the taskbar, and after that you will create jump list for that. So, pin program to the taskbar, pin files to jump list, just like taking notes on a bulletin board. You can use pin to keep the things you need close at hand. A lot of us have a fairly small group of programs and files we use a lot, as I explained in the jump list. So it makes sense to be able to keep them handy all the time. With Windows Vista, you can pin your favorite programs to your start menu. In Windows 7, you can use pinning to make your PC work even more the way you want. One big improvement is the ability to control where your programs appear on the taskbar. Always, you want your web browser right next to the start button. Okay, drag the icon where you want it, and it will stay there till you move it. You can also pin your program icon to the taskbar, so it's there all the time. You can even pin specific documents and websites to jump lists on your taskbar. So, talking about Snap. Snap is something that you use to rearrange your windows. Okay. So size and arrange windows by simply dragging their borders to the edge of your screen. Instantly expand to full screen and back, or arrange two windows side by side as I have shown you in this particular browser window. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to have my own blog at one end on the left hand side, and on the other side I'm trying to open Mira Windows. So as soon as I drag that Mira Windows window to the most right hand side of the screen, it takes away its shape, and it goes into the snap mode and arranges itself right next to my particular blog window. I'll show you how in the next slide. Oh, here it is. So how this is awesome. You drag your windows, you can click on any window that are open, and you can have them, one you can send it to the right hand side, one you can send it to the left hand side. So Snap is a quick and fun new way to resize open windows simply by dragging them to the edges of your screen. Depending on which edge you choose, top or bottom, left or right, the window will expand vertically, fill the screen, or you can even position windows side by side. As I have told you, Snap makes reading, organizing, and comparing windows a bit good. I think you get the picture, right? So, if I'm blogging, if I'm writing an article and I want to reference something on, let's say, Wikipedia, or I want to reference a particular software on Microsoft site. So what I'll do is I'll open up my blog. I use WordPress, so I'll open up WordPress and I'll continue composing my own blog post. On the other side, I'll open up a particular window that will have my content, or even my word file that I wrote an article, or even my Windows mobile screen that I wrote a text file on, and right now I want to use it to write my article. I can arrange that window without using a multiple monitor. I can arrange that window side by side with my blog, and I can just have my article done. So this is what it suits me to. There are multiple scenarios that you can use it to, but this is the scenario that you uses me to. I use multiple monitors because there was a lot of content I was working with. So now what I can do is I can easily arrange my two windows side by side, and I can either copy paste, or I can see the content there and type my content there. So it works for me like that. I hope you get the picture. If you have any questions, you can surely ask me out. Okay, I'll move on to peek. When you look right through open windows to see the icons, gadgets, and anything else on your desktop, all with a simple move of your cursor, wouldn't it be great? So, new in Windows 7, Peek gives you the power of X-ray vision. Yeah, X-ray vision. Oh, mind you, that is not on human beings, but only on your desktop. So, You can peer past all your open windows straight to the Windows 7 desktop. Simply move your mouse over a little transparent rectangle in the lower right corner of the screen on the right hand side and watch open windows instantly turn transparent, revealing all your hidden icons and gadgets, as I showed you in a previous slide. So, there's a fast way to find files on your desktop or get a peek at the latest traffic report. So, how do you have to do that? Point to the Show Desktop icon at the end of the taskbar. The open windows fade from the view revealing the desktop. To make the windows reappear again, you just have to move your pointer away from the Show Desktop button. So, a small tip included, press the Windows logo and spacebar to temporarily preview the desktop. The spacebar, the Windows key and the spacebar. Mind it, okay. Release the Windows logo key and spacebar to get back to your window. To minimize open windows so that they remain minimized, click the Show Desktop button or press Windows key plus D. To restore the open windows again, you can click the Show Desktop button again or press the Windows logo key plus D again. That will get your all windows open right back, or you can minimize them. So, what is shake? Shake. Okay, there's no slide for shake, but I'll tell you what is shake. When you want to focus on one window, shake it, and all the other open windows on your desktop will be hidden. Shake again, and they are all back. I'll be sharing my desktop now just to preview shake to you. Okay. Okay. I have opened my two windows. I'll be opening one more so that it gets easy. Okay, just a second more. Okay, now I have it. So, talking about Aero Shake, I'll be sharing my desktop right now. So, as soon as I hope you all can hear me. As soon as I click on this window and I shake it, okay, so there is a small problem with my arrow. It's currently not working. So you just your multiple windows are open. What you have to do is you have to click on a single window that you want to keep and all others you want to minimize. You just click it on the top of that window and you shake it a bit. All your other windows gets minimized and that particular window lets open. So this was about the session today. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now, and I'll be over here. So thank you all for attending the session today. I hope you will be attending the session again on 24th. I'll be explaining somewhat more on the scenarios, and thanks a lot for joining in today. Have a nice day. If you have any questions, you can use the Q&A panel to ask me. Okay, I think there was some problem. The last shake was not clear to some people. I'll be explaining shake once again. Okay, shake is a new feature in Windows 7. What you have to do to enable that feature is, let's say you have 5 open windows, or you want a single open window to stay maximized and all of the others to get minimized. You have to just click at the top of the particular window that you want to be opened. Rest you can just click on that particular window and shake it. Shake it. You can just shake it a bit. Shake by that I mean up and down a bit. All the other windows will get minimized and only that particular window will stay open. That is what the arrow shake is. So this concludes the session today.